First, I would like to introduce Japanese Traditional Beauty Lecture Channel. This channel is provided by research member of the Innovation Fusion Society of Japan, G of Japanese Traditional Art Research Cluster. Japan is located at the eastern edge of the Eurasian continent, blessed with a mild climate and all 4 seasons. Many cultures were born and passed down to this day. This channel introduced these Japanese cultures as Japanese traditional beauty. Japanese traditional beauty refers to Japanese nature, festivals, shrine and temples, hot spring, Japanese food, sake, Geido, and Budo as martial arts. This figure compared the historical floors of Western traditional beauty and the Japanese traditional beauty. Historical period are divided into ancient times, medieval age, early modern ages, and modern ages. Let's see Western traditional beauty column. Western traditional beauty began in ancient Greece with ancient Greek art, and in the Middle Age Romanesque art arising in the 10th century, followed by the Renaissance in the early 14th century. Then, in the present age, Romanticism art began in the 19th century. Let's see a Japanese traditional beauty column. On the other hand, in Japanese traditional beauty, Heian art by the emperor's vassals Kuge started in ancient times, and Kamakura art by the samurai arose in the latter half of the 12th century in the Middle Ages. In the late 16th century, Budo and Geido were performed due to national unification started by samurai. Then the present age of the arts and the civilization began with the Meiji period in the latter half of the 19th century. Let's see a typical classification of Japanese traditional beauty column. During the Heian period, rule of the royal family continued for 400 years, and Heian art blossomed. In Heian art, sumo, waka, flowers offering to Buddha status began. After the Kamakura period, the samurai battle for the territory began. And during the Muromachi period, samurai began to enjoy art. Consequently, flower arrangement, tea ceremony, no theatre, and the Japanese painting began. During the Edo period, the same united the nation and realized that ordinary people also enjoy various arts. In this period, Budo, such as Kyudo, Kendo, and Judo, as well as other arts, as haiku, kabuki, ukiyo-e, and others were in full bloom. Let's see modern Japanese traditional beauty ages. Japanese traditional beauty has been handed down to modern Japan, and many Japanese are learning the arts, Geido, and martial arts, Budo. At the same time, foreigners are learning about the Japanese culture, and the exchanges are becoming popular. Thank you for watching this channel. IFFJ Japanese Traditional Beauty Lecture Channel provides contents level in 3 levels: beginners, intermediate, and advanced. At the beginner level, we will analyze the history and the keyword of Japanese traditional beauty. And at the intermediate level, we will analyze Japanese traditional beauty from the viewpoint of knowledge and innovation. In addition, we are planning a remote experience training for Japanese traditional beauty in the advanced level. So please stay tuned. Next time, we are planning history and the keyword of Japanese mythology. Okay, this time is the end. Let's see next time. Bye bye.